You conscious?
Yeah, man.
If you're not conscious, we're not going no further, you know.
No, I'm fit, man. We're good.
Gotta be careful. If you drop us, you're dead, you know.
Let's do this, man.
Eh?
Let's do this. See that massive?
Yeah.
Make sure say you conscious, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Blessed respect, massive. Blessed respect. Thanks for having me again. Welcome to another episode of Jamaica Walk By. Right now we are currently in Port Antonio, Zin, and this is gonna be an epic one because a lot of persons have never been to the lagoon, never been to Blue Lagoon. You're gonna see exactly what the lagoon look like today. Blessed Elder, see? So right about now, we just want to tune in, stay tuned, watch the video, and see exactly what Blue Lagoon looks like. So in that direction, where the camera is actually facing right now, is where we're gonna walk to the lagoon. Alright, so we are bamboo rafting and everything. I'm telling you, Portland is just festive. So a lot of construction has been going on with the road right now. So the road is very bad because it's a betterment for everybody. Alright, so we just have to be patient and just wait till the road finish. Alright, so it causes a lot of traffic and things. So without further ado, remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. You know, from you start watch this right now, me ask if you like it. So like it right now, start liking the video. Yeah, man, this is gonna be one epic video. We are talking about tour, we are talking about everything when it comes down to the lagoon, what the lagoon is known for, all sort of things. And I give you a detailed tour, detailed description as to what Blue Lagoon is. Alright, so make sure you tune in to watch the entire video and see exactly what the Blue Lagoon is about. Alright, so stay tuned. So remember to like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and we're gonna show you what Blue Lagoon look like in 2022. Natural, real vibes. Alright, so let's go, let's do this. So most of the vehicle are detouring and driving this direction because, as I said, a lot of construction has been going on with the road. Alright, so just bear with the Jamaican people, you see. So I walk towards the lagoon, people, and we're gonna get a tour from Captain Fox. I'll be putting his number and thing in the description. As you can see there, I'm gonna tear down the whole of them part there up there, so while look dangerous. Yes, sir. Why me I look for see before me run, me I make sure say me see nothing start come to the bush, me get up. So yeah man, them I deal with it, so we walk towards the lagoon. Place dusty bad and thing, but jeez, I don't know. So let's go. So I'm just a show you where you would drive or you would walk towards the lagoon. As I said, it's an extensive tour, so let's do it. And the exercise is good for me, so we're going. A lot of buildings still are being constructed. Yeah. Manners. Yes. Whoa.
Yeah.
Beautiful lagoon again. Manners.
He's on a very big tour to Winifred, you know. Hello. You can wait like 2 or 3 hours.
We are trying to just
We're not trying to take one here.
hear the lady
We're not trying to take one. We're not trying to take one. I am PNP work.
the lady say the man come from big tour.
Man soon come.
I go here for go, man.
I want to go here, man.
Thief, you know.
How nice team.
I got to tell you why. You can't broke PNP stuff like that.
Oh, go on, you want to showcase any of the stuff them that you sell on Jamaica Walk By? Alright, where's your stuff?
All of these things here.
Alright, I'm just gonna show them then. Alright, so you don't know up on the lagoon. Yeah. I showcase some of the stuff them where you can get on the lagoon. You can get your good water shoes, same way, so if you don't have one, you can make sure so you get one. What's your name so we can tell them if you ask one? Here, so you can just come here and just check for Ringo gift shop and support her. You see me? See it there? Yeah, man. See it there? So check out Ringo gift shop. Everything there. Right down on the lagoon. Yeah, man. Bless up here. Cool. Captain, ready for we?
Yeah,
Alright, just hold this. Alright, so other brother here named Captain Fox. You see me? So make sure say when you forward and check out Captain Fox.
Yeah,
Captain
man.
Fox, give them a number.
My number is 403 76 84. International Captain, Blue Lagoon, licensed captain. So when you come
Alright.
to Blue Lagoon, you don't mix with those boys on the street. No good. Come to the licensed captain.
Alright, watch out now. So we are go hook up Captain Fox with
Yeah.
some direct feed, and Captain Fox is going to give us a nice
International tour.
international tour. And
We're gonna start it from the top of Blue Lagoon.
alright, hold on there, Captain Fox. Let me make sure put Senny in the mic. Alright, Captain Fox, test it.
Yes. There are two visitors here. I'm going to give them an international tour. We're going to start from the top of the Blue Lagoon. The top of the Blue Lagoon is a river spring at the top. When it flushes in the lagoon, it's hot and cold when it swims. It's good for like arthritis, diabetes, sickle cell, pneumonia, and a couple of days to come it's good for corona. You're ready to laugh. Yeah.
We're not take the raft today, so we are go on the boat.
Yes.
See it?
Yeah.
So tell which out you are to them.
We're gonna go down to an island near Monkey Island. But there's no monkey there, no crocodile, no guana lizard, no snake. There's a princess that lived there for many years, raised those monkeys. A hurricane struck named Hurricane Hattie and killed off all those people off the island. So it still have that name, but it's a beautiful beach. On top of it, it has bamboo, water coconut, and all different type of things, but no snake and nothing.
Alright.
Yes?
You hear that? Alright, so next you have your life vest? You need life vest. You have vest there?
Only pa best na boat ba?
You put out one vest there.
Yeah. Wala ko one dide. Most of me get soup over there. Come along. Come on, man. Just put your foot over on the boat. Ah, yeah. Before you sit down, just tranquil. Feel the seat first.
If it wet hard,
No, hot. So if it's hot, you put one of these and you sit.
it's hot, man.
And you put one and you sit.
Boy.
Put one for him too. No man, sit down there so beside her, man. No, you sit round, man.
Oh, alright.
The pitch down on contrary. All right. Yeah, man, when I have to talk, forget business, man. How do you? Me will do most of the talking to me, I go down the line here. I'm not ready for talk yet, just tranquil or relax a bit. I'm going to say me get one soup here. We are starting at the front of the Blue Lagoon. We are going around. You want me to go down first?
Anyone? We can go around, we can go around the lagoon.
Yeah,
Go around.
yeah. We are now going to tropical Blue Lagoon. It's a hotel, bar, restaurant, grill. We are going there now to see if we getting some soup. For a good couple need some soup. The captain is Mr. Fox, international captain. We are going out to the body of water. It is 65 meters deep. No crocodiles, no snake, no shark. And that's where they do the movie Club Paradise. The Lord of the Flight with Brooke Shields. Yeah, yeah. When we make that turn a little while, the boat we are coming around, you see it? Yeah. Walk on the outside when they are come round. All about them. Because you don't know what are going to come in here so if you crash you. You understand, sir? Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself. You're not supposed to come around here, so we drive around this so. Yeah, man. We're going to see if we get some soup and then the ledger we do it going down the line. Yeah. Right now we are in the body of Blue Lagoon. It is 65 meters here deep. No crocodiles, no snake, no shark. And that's where they do the movie as I was told you, with Club Paradise, with the Lord of the Flight, with Brooke Shields. It's a mineral spring on the top when you flush in the lagoon. Hot and cold when you swim. Hot and cold when you swim. It's a big mixed water. Hot and cold when you swim. This is where they do the movie again. I will repeat it. Club Paradise. Lord of the Flight, Brooke Shields, Treasure Island, Alton, Shorten. But first I'm going to show you the head of the river. It's a mixed water. I'm coming there. Captain Fox, International Capitana. From Motoboka. You know. Yeah. You don't know the brother there?
Who that?
Who won the hotel? Not Steve. You know him? After him place and then Steve then do the video. Yeah. That is the river top. The river head. That is the river head. Yeah, man. Yeah, when the rain fall heavy, it flush over. You don't see those stones come over heavy at times. Yeah. This is where people swim every day. Yeah. Yes. I'm going to make Steve show you one video. It don't make no sense because I don't do it already. It's bad enough. When I see the boat go, this one coming in and with the bag and I take up something like cocaine out like that. I buy one phone today for 35,000 because I want bang me up and I get to see it. So I'm going to make Steve show you again, double here. You know him? You know Stephen? I mean, you know him, man. I hope that I have place the people and stay where do the video. Stephen! You see him look away? I guess I see him look away. Steve! Stephen! I could have swear I see him look away. I just hope for the lady, I also want to go on. You can't come out, man. I'm walking out the years, you know. This is for me, you know.
Let me in.
You know, man.
This is our boat. You don't know, this is a boat that we are traveling upon. It's a fox. You see me? So we like vest them there. More like vest. So we're good to go. Yes, sir, man. Oh, no soup. Ja. Yeah, rough. Alright, ready again, Captain?
Yeah, man.
Fuck. Man, say if you just chop a line, go straight up a back start. The video, him not here. Yeah. What the fuck there, man? Are the video what they talk about?
The video you do this.
Yeah, with the amongst the crew. Nah man, we good man. We start here, but him just make you know.
Yeah.
We just come with the girlfriend and make sure so she get a tour.
Stop calling girlfriend and call me your wife, you know, man.
People don't hear that on camera. You hear that?
You forget to still a record.
You forget? I true colors that. Mad, some here will Lexi say. Alright, we're back on it again.
Yeah, man. Coming out of Blue Lagoon, it is 65 meters deep. No animal, no crocodiles, no snake, no shark. This is where they do the movie Club Paradise with the Lord of the Flies with Brooke Shields. We are going out on the entrance of Blue Lagoon. We have turtles live there. So I'm going out to say my visitor will see some turtles. When we see the turtles, we tell a little bit more about the business before we reach Monkey Island. They out there for chew, you know. This is no joke. It's a sanctuary, nobody catch them, so a lot of turtle is here. One is for Michael Leachin, lick it down and then start it. But the other building them, it's like $1,000 US a night. To get a butler, you get a chef. You want so much money. You have to be rich, you have to be some movie stars. Yeah. Very rich. I'm gonna show you some more villas like Dorel Vaz, Action Hand.
You want to roll away on the side so we can catch a few of them?
Yes, man, when I go down there, I try to show you two turtles here. Yeah, we're going down past Monkey Island and go straight around. Capitan Fox. Italian call me Capitana Motorbacca. Yeah. Looking at the water, I try to see if you can see two turtles and things. But this is where they live. Yeah, man, the turtle live here. I try to make swim them before I go to Monkey Island, you know. There are people who just jump in $1,000 a day, they get, you know. They are idiot, you know.
Say that again?
$1,000 a day, they want to use them. We got 3 people over there. We not fight against somebody, you know. So one day.
Oh, yes, a big one here, listen, yes. Yes, sir.
See him there? See him there? Lord, since Mr. Fox is not making no joke.
Yeah, man, see the
Yes, big one. you get the picture time?
man, we catch you, man.
You serious?
Yeah, man. Catch him on video.
I want to see him again.
See him over there, bro.
Are him that? The darkness, that's him? To the sun gears kind of a trouble me.
Alright, we catch him still.
These houses here, 1,000 US dollars a night. You get a butler, you get a chef. But you see most of them house here, brethren, are some rich man at town. Maggie chicken noodle. People will make separate, will make brush soap and all these things. You understand what I say? This one in front of me is for Mr. Dibbs, the greatest tennis player in the world. The next one is for Mr. Scott, we have hardware and lumber in town. And most the big man them will do some business, you know. They have them a place here, you know, no local, you know. You understand? Eh? Yes! Hardware and lumber, that's Mr. Scott. The greatest tennis player in the world. Mr. Dibbs. This little small one is for Brooke Shields that died the other day. This one is for our Chinese man named Mr. Chin who owned the racehorse place in Kingston, Kimanas Park. Here, Mr. Chin. Yeah. This little one is for another one for a millionaire. Bush Trot. Yeah. The owner for Dragon Bay, he locked it down for 17 years, Dragon Bay. He's the owner for this one. And the next one, that's where Shaggy stay when he come here. Shaggy.
The green one?
Yeah. This one, yeah. Yeah. If you have any question, if you ask me no more, and the video no contrary, you know. You ask Mr. Fox some question here. Yeah. This is where Shaggy stays. I guess you know, because
You know who owned the one here?
yeah.
You know who owned it?
I don't remember when name, you know.
It's nice.
Yes, but them and they own some big factory at town. Big factory. All of them, man, you see, some of them have separate, some of them have all kind of something. Maggie chicken noodle seasoning and all these things, a big boy them, you know. This one is the Action and Durrell vase. See here, the white one? Yeah. The tide low, look what they dry up. Member of Parliament, Action on. Yeah. Beautiful. The next one is for the Morrisons them. Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Samfer. This one for the Morrison. Those are one for the. The other one is from the Stroud family. Welcome to Monkey Island. You know them? You know them? You know them?
Yeah, we were
The
talking
lady
to
that we were talking to.
Before you come here? Looking for Mr. Fox?
So you can tell them your name again and your number.
Yeah, Mr. Fox, it's 403-7684. International captain, work at Blue Lagoon 24/7. From 14-year-old until I'm 70. Good. He laugh. If you're interested, you know, I can park on the island and walk and take you up on the top, you know.
The island right here.
Yes. Could park and take you right up in the middle of the island.
Yeah, man, we could do that. We could go over there.
Yeah, man. But first, I'm gonna go down first. Full tour. If you want to give me a tip of your business, but you don't have to care too much, you give me already.
Alright. See there? Bring that back.
Yeah. Sun Beach. This one is Nurse Point. 1 bedroom. 2 gay boy, 2 gay girl. Let's go. The video pick up from inside, you know. We know. Yeah.
I love how you make it fun, you know?
Yeah, man, what you mean? Over on that point, it named Alligator Head. But there's no alligators there at this time.
You realize everything our animal name as
Yes.
They move on.
But the pint in the shape like an alligator. But it's no alligator. And the Monkey Island, no monkey. So when you come to Blue Lagoon, you have a whole different type of name. That beach over there, it is private. The one for it, Manchester. If father died, leave it and give me. Father used to make guns and ammunition, dandy Mike and boom named Baron Tyson. Boy, you play that video for me when time before me left, you know. You hear? Yeah, man. Round there you find Frenchman's Cove. Wilkes Bay, Frenchman's Cove, round at that top point. Go slow, go slow. Go slow. You understand me I say?
You can go and stay with your
No, no Auckland. Me know.
over there, so way again.
Alligator Head. It's owned by a millionaire named Baron Tyson. In Daily with Green Data, as I was telling you, that man is a million trillionaire. For him job is to make guns, dandy Mike and boom in Iraq.
You know, own something at Jamaica.
Yes. You have a house what you in left game in that in Manchester. You have ship, helicopter and all different type of something here. She don't take guests there.
Oh, she don't take any guests.
No. She a millionaire, just play friends. Helicopters and ship she deal with and big friends.
Sometimes you're there, you see helicopter land and thing.
Yeah, right on the house stop, baga, all 6 of them for one day.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is as close as we can go.
Yeah. Let me go near what security you have over there man, we God make.
Oh, okay.
When you got your money, you do all kind of something. When you want, please don't enter. You understand? Yeah, man, that's a rich people stay. This one, me Mr. Smart's son. Ernest Smart, we dead and gone. Ashley, dangerous boy, but I love him. He fence off the whole of down the Sansa, no boat come there back and nobody. Yeah.
This Sansa, this is a freebie.
You know you have to pay $1,000 each to come in there. You want to stop there?
It's alright.
You can stop there, but you have to pay 1,000 and then go again. The man charge the captain $1,000. If you use the beach, you have to pay one of that $2,000. That's Goblin Hill. It's a nice hotel and the cheapest one around here. Me say 3,000 Jamaica, you know, I don't believe me, I'm going to find it out properly, you know. Because that would have come like me could have done the 10 nights of me a visitor, you know. You understand what I say? Yeah. Go on your phone and you will see it. Yeah. So when you lift up the holics up there? How the wife? Okay. They tell you know me good? Yeah man, they know me man. Yeah man, bless man. Bless up every time. International Captain Mr. Fox. With the Hochi Warriors, Negril, Montego Bay, Buff Bay. This man will tell you about Mr. Fox. 100 people, I make 12, 13 trip and give you a good deal. Those are the guys at the Blue Lagoon, they are excursioner. Yeah. They want a whole lot of money, they don't want nothing. This boat is mine. Yeah. When you see it on the video, my number is 403-7684. Just call. Call me straight, no WhatsApp and no, I'll just have a banger. You like how I talk, baby? And you cannot miss it. No, sometimes I do your WhatsApp and I'll get you. You just have to call you straight. You understand? Call me straight. Captain Fox. I work from 7 until 5 in the evening. 100 people, I make 13 trips. And give you a deal. Yeah. Other guys, you have to pay 10, 20,000. Mr. Fox give you a deal. Sweet deal. I think these two visitors will tell you the deal that they get. That's what I work for. Yeah. Yes. All Nation knows some work, make your people for them for 2,500 each, you know.
Yeah man, I can pick up All Nations hotel guest house.
No man of them send me people for 2,500 man. So me give a cheaper deal, me know why you tell them that that's a Fox tell you, you know. Yes. Yeah. Because a cheap deal I think give me, you know, so all the people then come to me. But as your wife a reason with me like enough money, you know they? We take off $500 each. Alright. If you want thing, you can give me the tip and back you up still, but the one price me tell me work for.
Rate that box.
Yes.
Monkey Island.
You don't go over there? PMP. You know him? You know him? Take your time. No. Stop in there, man. We have video things in my youth. What do you? We depend on video thing. You know, so weapon on Palm Fox, look.
Microphone.
Okay, alright. You know you have provoked me, man. Yes, leave us alone for a couple seconds. Which party did they again? Everything we will repeat. You have pardon me? Yeah. They know you, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No. For my name is important already, you don't have to go on stone. Yeah, as I say, Mr. Fox, the whole world know me. You ever can climb and go up there? Yeah, man. What? No watchman thing. Alright. Who that? No, she can't sit down till we come. Yeah? You might call it in and come video everything, you know? You ready? Baby, just tranquil, relax. Yeah, come here, go up there. No, start here, so. Yeah! No, man, not do him.
So we are climbing Monkey Island.
Yes, we are going to Monkey Island on the top of the island. No monkey up here. No guana lizard, no snake, no shark. Because shark live in water, don't live on dry land.
What about crab?
You might have find some minor one. Go on, man. I bet you call me and send me some people before the week done. When me done show you things.
Everybody come to Captain Fox.
Yes.
Yeah, but see Captain
Them
Fox.
say it's a small boat, but him can make a lot of trip. And him get a very good deal.
Straight.
Yeah.
Go on, Fox.
Then if somebody can come to me and make about 5 trips. Only come money and then go up on it.
Yeah.
A papi papa?
No. Put it in right there and shove it up. Alright, hold this. Just point it over there, so hold it strong.
Pick up your phone.
Good again.
Yes. Then if you come with 2 bus load of people, call Mr. Fox to be before me buy enough gas. I'm make a 6-7 trip. Cause them boy there.
3 pieces of it.
Yeah. Some of the boy when I work, when you have to look at 100,000. You never tell you work with Mr. Fox with 50 or 30 or 10. Alright. Them have to do it, you know, because the boat enough for them. Yeah. So them have to charge big money to pay the owner for the boat and the man will drive it, the boat enough for him. And somebody bring the business to him. We can't share. Yeah. 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 Yeah, man. 100 people are giving a good deal. I make a 4 or 5 or 6 trips. And the deal reasonable. If you pay the other man, then you have to pay nearly 100,000. You know if you fix you. Tell him how the island on the top look. Me know. But you are the first year I come and say, oh God, boy, Mr. Fox take me to some place. It's nice. Yeah. Yeah, right Monkey Island on the top. You see up here stay, King man? Very lovely. Yes. You never come to my place yet? Eh? Come here so first and then you come back where we go up. You conscious?
Yeah, man.
If you're not conscious, we're not going no further, you know.
I'm fit, man. We're good.
Gotta be careful. If you drop us, you're dead, you know.
Let's do this, man.
Eh?
Let's do this. See that massive?
Yeah.
Make sure say you conscious, you know.
Yeah, man. We don't have to go no further.
No, we're good still.
Yeah, man, good.
You go, me walk, go down this, go across. Come on, capture everything, you know.
Okay. You're not going to see nothing much, you know, because the big bush is going to block you there, so.
Yeah, alright, you can stand up.
Yeah. Make sure you're not brethren. Please, sir. Go on straight down. Can go down some more too, you know. All right. Yeah. Nice. I bet you said some people can give me when they see that. You want a bet? Go on straight down till you go up on the water. Beautiful. Wicked. You can go down some more. No, if you go up a little bit more, you see over the other side. All right, this is where I go now. This is what's going on. We know. Yeah. Take a time, sir. You can't drink rum and come at my place here, you know. You hear? You have to be conscious. You know the boy they call battery rider too? You know battery rider? But no man, one guy will carry people. No man, one of your friends tell me say know him. In the upper show in drive boat. You know with one video.
Yes man,
You think you can send that? You think you can send that from my phone and not done?
Yeah, man, when you finish.
Okay. You will call me and tell me.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Yo, one out there, you know. When we sail in the boat and take one bag. Anybody do me a work?
Yeah, man.
You wicked, you know. You know. You know, some them boy they know so you're sustained and come here. Do you do the first video? Yeah, what there? They would come. But they don't know. They just do it over tropical lagoon. No, the current what they have. Okay, could I bring it right up here, so?
Well, we know now.
Yeah. You don't come in no call fax. Okay, you and them not link up. A wicked movie that, you know, a wicked, I come through jungle, you know. And you just have to do some step like this. You know what I say? Yeah, man. You know, some old time movie, as some jungle like this, you see some Harawak Indian and some man I come through, you know, some big gun and all them thing. You never see you never see some movie like some man I drive one because something like chariot, like wagon, something with two wheel. Western man I drive it. It's only go small. No man know man. It's only go small gun like one go 38 and I go through the. Me know man, me not drop man. No man, me not drop. Me know man. Brethren, we have people up here so 24/7, you know. Jesus Christ, Mr. Fox. I never see something like this from the day I was born. We have people come pitch all tent every 6 o'clock, make your food for them.
Yeah,
Villa full, you don't know where to sleep, when they drop some tent up there. Don't tell nobody that they can't rob them because nobody don't know. Yeah. 6 girl. All villa full. Every morning 6 o'clock make your water and your food. And they stay there for 3 weeks. And nobody knows they're up there. Then cook and eat. Your water can give them for bed. Good money me give me, you know. Yeah man. Hmm? Me know man. Yeah. Now go by the expensive place now go drink one beer. $500 for one over there, you know. Brilliant. I'm a good friend still, but that's too expensive. $300 for one rum. No, Steve, I'm going bad, but I'm a friend. Hey. But you mix something, but you can't go up there now. I don't have to repeat. I don't have to repeat. It's wicked up there nice. Serious. Wicked. Not yet. Give me a second, please. Just give me 5 seconds. But next time, come back and see up there. I see you something I tell you, you know. I the lady me I tell. They're nice. If you make a video with up there to round face. Every week you send friend to Fox. You know. Wait, no said my willy for people come give me here. Yeah. You
I
better
can have no trust in a whistle.
I know. Cause you got me pitched already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then so for you to go up there.
What is so interesting about it?
Sightseeing, man.
Baby, if I till 10 here, me I carry you up there. Yes. You also Mr. Fox? With the back here again.
Back on the boat.
If I till Christmas or 5 or 6 years, me still there. Cause me not dead now, cause me are 70 right now, you know. Me there from me are 14. Yeah, me not, nothing wrong with me now. Yeah, man. Service every one touch. Yeah, man. Alex and my wife's name again. I'm free that believe in me more than believe in a God in heaven, you hear? Yeah, man. I'm a kid of here guessing, then guessing. Yeah, sometimes I may have to make sure you call me from a day before. Because they call me and can't get me, so they keep on calling. And if you travel with the one without the license, you know, you lose your video shooting. Police take away boat, or they run left you. Now you have to work with the license captain. That's why when you send people them special, because you know some have a license. Then if you get 4 people down there, you see police are come, you go down there. You must say when my friend go pick them up and sometime at the same time my friend gone home already, nobody to take them up here and people and stay there. All 9, 10 o'clock at night I wonder what happened when some boat a come. Yeah, man, service my engine man, one touch already. The place on the top there so you fast underneath 1 3 thumb, I'm going to fix you early. Because I carry 6 or 7 people, you know. Yeah. 3 3-point seat. 3 and 3, 6, 8. You know them?
Say hi back to the evening tonight,
Me a bigger boat you can carry all 30 people, you know. Yeah, send them come. That is my contract here. If you send 100 people to me, I give one boat 6, I give another boat 6, and I carry 6. But I'm a response for the business, same price. Captain Fox. You understand? Yeah, man. More you play that video, then one day let me see it. You hear? Yeah. This is out where the turtles live. The overcast, I don't know if me are saying it, but this is where the turtles live, yeah? Yeah, I'm going to come here, so I'm saying it. We must see one still, you know. Although the water gets cloud over cloud. We never seen anywhere come down.
Yeah, man, we catch one, man.
Okay. Okay, so we don't need to have, you can go in, forgot to show them.
We catch one big one.
We are growing Blue Lagoon and going here. Go and enjoy, no day, you know. Put them things up on, what you call it, a WhatsApp or social media, which one? Eh? Eh?
YouTube.
Yeah, man, put it on there, man, must see it. Me want phone up here that I can't use, me turn it on data so I see it.
One banger.
Eh? No bang, I'm going to show the number. Yeah? No, and then release you call me, I'm sending the number here. Eh? You talk to me? No do it and put too much oil in the gas. The oil if you cool the engine, put too much. PMP! Too much oil in the gas. Hmm? Yeah, man. Come back next year, I can swing the man. But she can't manage no swing, you know. You hear? You know. Lovely. Then you know, so the river spring up there, so. When rain fall and when that come down, the boat can't go up there, so some blood river come down there. You have to stay out there, so. Hot and cold when you swim. Yeah, man. Seedland secret. You know, sometimes I see that video again, I go laugh. Because it takes simply, you know, but when we tape everything what we are trying to say, you know. Yeah, man. You understand what I say? Yes. PMP! 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 Too much oil in the gas. Too much oil in your gas. Too much blue smoke. Well, drink another rum and boom now and cool out.
Whole another rum.
Yeah. Me no want drink it make she see it, you know. But
What make?
okay, so I'm not drunk, yeah, okay. I make you look bad. Good. Yeah. We are quarrel with him, so we might tell Fox that, fa?
No, man. I want minutes to remember.
Yeah, man. I protect her life and her youth, you know. You understand me? So you know want Fox to go and do this and do so. And you know what me I try to say? Easy snapping. Cause speedboat, you know. When you go this boat up on speed, you never know that's so fast. What that?
You can get so nice.
Hey, food over the other side, you have to order, you know, it's expensive. Over there, yeah. You can go, no, you can't stop. You can't stop up a field, ask Rocky. Rocky. That way, yeah. 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 For, well, I don't yeah. 403 7684.
It's a fact.
Yes.
Blue Lagoon.
Yes. 403 7684. Call me straight.
So massive, that was another tour on Jamaica Walk By. You don't know, big up every time. We're there with Captain Fox. It was a great tour, so we just want to big up Fox, thanking him for having us and sitting. So remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. You understand? So you know the thing go. All blessings, all respect. And remember, if you want to donate, you can actually donate to the link in the bio. Yeah, man. You can give it to her. Yeah, man. Make sure you take it out. So, yeah, man. So you don't know a thing go. So, blessed respect. And remember, if you want to donate, you can actually donate to the link in the bio in the description. We really appreciate it. And remember, once you come into the Blue Lagoon, make sure so you check out Mr. Fox, Captain Fox, and make him give you a nice tour. It's amazing, it's beautiful, it's really relaxing, and it was a lovely day for me and Lexi, and we just want to say thanks. So remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe, always. So signing out of Blue Lagoon, I just want to tell you all, enough love, enough respect, enough everything. Blessed love.